Hello viewers, welcome to Cooking Horizon by Taz. Today I'm going to show you how to make portobello mushrooms, broccoli and sun-dried tomatoes risotto, as well as some quick buttermilk fried chicken breasts. The risotto comes out nice and creamy, has great flavors, and has a good balance of sweet and tangy. So let's get to the recipe. First of all, dice a medium-sized onion. For better flavor, I'm going to use a blend of portobello mushrooms and button mushrooms. So you need about 8 ounces of sliced white mushrooms, about this size. Mushrooms add rich earthy flavors to risotto. It also provides a textural treat. You need about 6 ounces of sliced portobello mushrooms. They're a form of plant-based protein, providing good source of fiber and super low in calories. Next, you need 1 large head of broccoli cut into florets and halved. The combo of broccoli with mushrooms is like a pack of healthy goodness. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, especially iron. You need about 2.5 to 3 ounces of sliced sun-dried tomatoes. They would add a sweet and tangy flavor to the risotto. Now let's start cooking. Heat up a big pan, then add about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Once the oil heats up, add the broccoli. Sear for a couple of minutes on medium-high heat. Now add the sliced mushrooms. Cook until they change in color and shrink in size. Toss the sun-dried tomatoes into the mix and cook for another couple of minutes. In the meantime, add about half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Set them aside and we'll add them to the risotto at the end. Before we start cooking the rice, we are going to boil 8 cups of chicken stock in a pot. This step is very important because adding room temperature stock to risotto can cause the rice to cook unevenly and lead to a soupy sauce. Now add half a tablespoon of olive oil to the same pan that we cooked our veggies in. Add the diced onions and saute until translucent. Then add about 2.5 cups of arborio rice. Remember to never wash your rice beforehand, as this removes the starch, which is what helps give risotto its smooth texture. It's necessary to cook the risotto on a low simmering heat and then add the chicken stock gradually. I'm adding about half a cup to 1 cup at a time. For every 1 cup of rice, we're going to need about 3 cups of chicken stock. Add enough salt and black pepper. This process of cooking on low heat and adding the stock gradually would give the rice time to fully absorb the liquid and flavors. What makes arborio rice most suitable for risotto is because of its high starch content, which is released during cooking, resulting in a firmer, chewier, and creamier rice compared to the other kinds of rice. Once the rice is nearly cooked, toss in the previously cooked veggies. Cook for a few more minutes so the flavors can fuse and blend in together. Finally, add about 4 tablespoons of salted butter. Blend it in nicely. Top it with some chopped green onions and about half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. You can serve it by itself, but I decided to make some fried chicken breast with it. I prepared and cooked my buttermilk fried chicken breast alongside, so you need about 3 pieces of small chicken breast. For marination, add about 2 cups of buttermilk in a bowl. Add about 1.5 teaspoons of ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it in. It's a brief presentation of the fried chicken recipe, not too much in details, but enough to follow through and make it. Soak the chicken pieces in the mix and set aside for at least 20 minutes or up to half hour. We're going to sort of shallow fry them. So heat up about 2 cups of oil in a pan. This flour coating consists of 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and some salt. Make sure to shake off the excess buttermilk before coating the chicken on both sides. Press firmly while coating. Fry them on medium heat for about 2 minutes each side. Then fry on medium-low heat until done, or until the internal temperature of the chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, turning the chicken pieces as needed. Serve hot and enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you so much for watching.